Alright, Shalom. This the brother Naba Ayash coming with a quick video. I just stepped out my house and you see these birds flying in perfect formation head to south. Just like the scripture say, that's how the arrows, meaning the missiles, are going to be shot over here to America. They're not going to break their ranks. Meaning they're not going to lose formation. They're going to fly and hit as Yahweh Shem Yahushua commanded it to hit here in America. See how these birds flying in perfect formation? Like an arrow? Hey, that's how the missiles going to be shot over here to America. Perfect formation. They're not going to break their ranks. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. How them birds flying in perfect formation headed south. Because this is about winter time here. Look at them. And that's how them ICBMs going to hit here in America. Look at that. Perfect formation. Look at that. That's beautiful. And with that, Shalom. All praise to Yahweh Shem Yahushua. Double honor to the elder apostles of Great Millstone. Hey, Shalom. People out there, get your mind right before Yahweh Shem Yahushua return. With that, Kwam Yasha Allah. Shalom.